Welcome to this mindful walking meditation on abundance. As you embark on this journey, know that each step you take is a step closer to welcoming abundance into your life. Whether you're walking in nature, around your neighborhood, or even indoors, this meditation is designed to help you connect with the endless opportunities and blessings that surround you. Let's begin this walk with an open heart and a curious mind, ready to embrace the abundance that is already present and to invite even more into your life. As you start walking, take a moment to notice the ground beneath your feet. Feel the connection with the earth, supporting you with each step. With every breath, allow yourself to become more present in this moment. Begin by walking at a comfortable pace. As you do, bring your awareness to your surroundings. Notice the colors, the textures, the sounds. Everything you see and hear is a reflection of the abundance around you. Nature flourishes without effort, and so can you. With each step, repeat silently to yourself, I am open to abundance. Feel the truth of these words resonate within you. Abundance isn't just about material wealth. It's about the richness of experiences, relationships, health, and joy. Notice how abundance already exists in your life in the simple things. A warm breeze, a kind smile, the beauty of the world around you. Now focus on your breath. As you inhale, imagine drawing in the energy of abundance. Feel it fill your body, from your toes to the top of your head. As you exhale, release any doubts or fears that may be blocking your path to abundance. With each breath, you are creating space for more goodness to enter your life. As you continue walking, let your thoughts gently drift to the things you are grateful for. Gratitude is the foundation of abundance. The more you appreciate what you have, the more you attract into your life. Silently say, "Thank you," for each blessing you acknowledge. This practice of gratitude will amplify your experience of abundance. Let's now turn our attention to affirmations. As you walk, repeat these phrases in your mind, feeling their truth as you speak them. I am deserving of abundance in all forms. Opportunities for growth and success come to me effortlessly. My life is filled with love, joy, and prosperity. I attract positive energy and the resources I need. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more abundant. Notice how your body feels as you say these affirmations. Allow the positive energy to flow through you, making each step lighter, more joyful. Abundance is not something you chase. It is something you align with. By believing in your worth and the infinite possibilities of the universe, you naturally attract abundance into your life. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath and your steps. Remind yourself that abundance is your natural state. Trust that what you seek is already on its way to you. As you near the end of your walk, take a moment to reflect on this meditation. Notice any shifts in your energy, any new thoughts or feelings. Recognize the abundance that you have tapped into during this practice. It is always available to you, simply waiting for you to invite it in. As you conclude this mindful walking meditation, carry this sense of abundance with you into the rest of your day. Remember, abundance is not just something you receive, it's something you create with your thoughts, your actions, and your energy. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. The more you practice, the more abundance will flow effortlessly into your life. If you enjoyed this meditation, consider liking this video, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel for more content like this. May your day be filled with endless opportunities and blessings. Take one final deep breath, and when you're ready, return to your day, walking forward with an abundant heart and mind. Until next time, take care.